多多merci。
谢谢，谢谢，拜拜。Good morning. It's day 10 from Yilan to Keelung. The weather's looking a bit shitty. It's like gonna rain most of the day. We'll see how we go. But I just moved out of my hostel, heading towards the coast. It's a late start to the official route. Took a detour. GPS got me wrong, but I ended up with a good breakfast. That was a bloody good dry noodles with wonton. Out of the way completely. This is quite a nice neighborhood. It's kind of a weird one. There's a lot of water and then houses in between. It looks like it's a family plot for farming, and I believe they live next to it. But this is so picturesque. So I took a detour thinking that this is a coastal ride. It's just a green corridor. It's parallel to the beach, but I can't see the beach. This is off the road. So this is pull up my wing here. It's a wet morning. Hopefully the rain ease off a little bit. But look, the river's full. Oh, breaking the red light. This is outskirts of Tochen, heading towards the coast, along the coast to Keelung through the mountains. Yeah. 一个叫点菜的。
小姐，我们的菜再帮我们切一下。没有啊，没有啊，真的。
Right, I got my first puncture just at Daxi, just after getting a drink. Oh. Now I'm late. I'm late for Keelung. Fuck. Terrible condition. Wind, trickling rain, and a puncture before. But look at the view. Oh, fucking hell. It's so wet. When the rain's gonna stop? If not for the rain, it's actually quite beautiful. Well, even in the rain. We've just left the coast for the mountains to go into Yilan. Rough day, rough day. I think there's a bit of a climb coming up. I hope it's not too bad. Oh my god. It's getting late. It's about 6. I'm in the middle of nowhere. Hope there's street lights to help me. Otherwise, I'm in the dark. I'm in the middle of nowhere in the mountains, but I'm going to Keelung tonight. Alright, here we go. Cycling into a tunnel. It should be a long tunnel. Wow. Village down there with lanterns floating up into the sky. If you can see, it's in red. There's a lot of them. Wow. Second tunnel. Oh, this is hot. Wow. what they do. Wow. 我马车。
对，如期出发。